हेलो चिल्ड्रन, कैसे हैं आप लोग? इन आवर लास्ट मॉड्यूल we have seen NCERT questions, textbook inside question. Now today we are going to solve NCERT exercise of our chapter light, reflection and refraction. Question number 1 to 8 are very easy question, MCQ question or one line question. See the question number 9 at page number 186. Here it is given that your convex lens, here it is a convex lens, this half part is covered, say with a black surface, कागज से ढक दिया गया इसको. Question is there, one half of the convex lens is covered with a black paper. Will this lens produce a complete image? Yes or no? Verify your answer. Dear children, suppose this is the object here, AB. A ray parallel to the principal axis when coming over here, it will go like this through the focus, and another ray which is going like this will meet here, and we are getting the inverted image A dash B dash. So I can say yes, I am getting the image. Yes, I am getting the image. That is this. Ray are coming like this. So this is, I can say, we are getting the lower part of the convex lens is covered with a black paper, but we are getting the image here. However, the intensity or brightness of the image will be reduced. Intensity definitely will reduce due to this point. Write down, the intensity or brightness of the image will reduce. Okay? It is only 1 mark question. Now see the next question. Some numericals we are going to perform here. Question number 10 of your NCERT textbook. You know very well what are the things given. Write down in the left hand side of your copy and remember all the formulas which are related to this chapter. Write on a single page and write down the value here. An object 5 cm in length, object height PVH1 is held 25 cm away from the converging lens of focal length 10 cm. Object distance given at 25 cm. Focal length UV at 10 cm. Draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and the nature of the image formed. इसका डायग्राम भी अपने को बनाना है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आएगा ये सीबीएसई एग्जाम में. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. See this. Here is a convex lens. This is the optical center O. An object is say placed AB of height H1 here. A ray parallel to the principal axis will pass through like this, and another ray, and they both are meeting here, or we are getting the image here A dash B dash. This is the image formation. The rays are coming, draw the direction. Direction is very, very important in optics experiment. This is a branch of physics which we are doing the numerical here, is called optics. So write down. Here is H2. Now, image distance we have to find out. Image size we have to find out. our formula here is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. क्या क्या दिया हुआ देखिए, u दिया हुआ, f दिया हुआ है, तो 1 by v comes out to be 1 by f plus 1 by u. To put here 1 by v is equal to 1 by f 10 plus 1 by u minus 25. सॉल्व करिए इसको, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 25 को सॉल्व करिएगा, यहां पर एलसीएम लीजिएगा 50, यह आ जाएगा 5 minus 2, तो दिया इज 3 by 50, तो v comes out to be आ गया 50 by 3. सॉल्व करिए, व्हाट इज दैट, 50 by 3, that is near about 16.67 centimeter. Very easy sir. हमने यहाँ पर 25 और 10 का एलसीएम ले लिया 50, ये is 5 minus 2. Now तो v आ गया, v is positive. जब v पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, what does it mean? v is positive, the image is real. v is positive, the image is real and inverted. On the right side of the lens, inverted. इसके लिए कैसे करेंगे? m is equal to h2 by h1 हमारा फॉर्मूला है. That is equal to v by u. Put here all the things. यह कर लीजिए इसको. तो m is equal to आ गया h2 by h1, h1 is 5 is equal to v 50 by 3 divided by u. u आपको दिया हुआ है 25, तो सॉल्व करिए, h1 is equal to आ जाएगा, सॉल्व कर लिए तो 5 को 5 बार, तो आ जाएगा यहां पर आपके पास -2 by 3. ये सॉरी दैट इज ये आ गया -53 आ गया, -2 by 3 आ गया यहां पर. तो h2 comes out to be, h2 निकालना आपने को, -10 by 3. 5 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करिए, 3.33 आ गया ये हाइट. दैट इज इन सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज द आंसर. Now, the negative sign shows that image is inverted. ये जो negative sign आ रहा है, this shows that image formed here it is inverted. Okay, yes sir. तो बेटा ये और see the next numerical. Open your again NCERT book and see the question number 11. of same page number. A concave lens of focal length f दिया हुआ है -15 सेंटीमीटर. कॉन्केव लेंस की फोकल लेंथ माइनस होती है. फॉर्म्स एन इमेज 10 सेंटीमीटर, v is equal to -10 सेंटीमीटर from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? You we have to find out. Draw the ray diagram. These are the things given here. अब सोचिए, आपको दिया हुआ कॉन्केव लेंस, here it is a concave lens, here it is the optical center. ये चीजें आपको दी हुई है. Suppose this is the object here, AB. एक रे जो यहां से पैरेलल जाएगी प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के, it will go like this. जब पीछे बढ़ाया तो कहां से आती हुई लगेगी? It will appear to meet at focus. Now see यहां पर, and another ray which is going through the optical center here. So both are meeting here. और वी आर गेटिंग द इमेज a डैश b डैश, ये इमेज फॉर्मेशन हो गया यहाँ पर। तो यू कैन सी हियर, जो रे ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से जाएगी इट विल गो स्ट्रेट विदाउट डेविएशन। नाउ ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम और यूज द फॉर्मूला अगेन। 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. It is our formula for lens. Put this value and find out the value of u. So 1 by u comes out to be 1 by v minus 1 by f, 1 by v minus 10 minus 1 by minus 15. सॉल्व करिए इसको। 1 by minus 10 minus 1 by 15 क्या आ जाएगा? minus 3 plus 2 divided by 30 minus 1 by 30, तो u आ जाएगा minus 30 आ जाएगा। सॉल्व करिएगा इसको। सॉल्यूशन इज योर पार्ट मैथमेटिक्स। तो u comes out to be minus 30 सेंटीमीटर। और इमेज डायग्राम मैंने आपको ये बना दिया। इट इज आल्सो 3 मार्क क्वेश्चन। कितने नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता है ये? 3 नंबर का। उतारिए इसको। नाउ see the next question. What is that? See the next question, number 12. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. Object distance है माइनस होगा from a convex mirror. convex mirror दिया हुआ बच्चों इस बार। Object distance, it is in the side of mirror. जिधर reflecting surface is the u negative. Of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. Find the position and nature of the image निकालना आपको। Now go to the formula for mirror. The formula for the mirror is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. This is that. Image distance आपको निकालनी है। तो 1 by v comes out to be 1 by f minus 1 by u. Put here 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10. तो 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10 ये आ गया। सॉल्व कर लो इसको, वैल्यू निकाल लो v की। दैट इज 2 plus 3 divided by 30 एलसीएम ले लो इसमें से। क्या आ गया? 5 by 30, दैट इज 1 by 6। तो v आ गया 6 सेंटीमीटर। ये पॉजिटिव साइन ऑफ v आ रहा है अपने पास। ये पॉजिटिव साइन ऑफ v इंडिकेट्स दैट इमेज इज एट द बैक ऑफ द मिरर। इमेज जो बन रही है मिरर के पीछे बन रही है। इमेज कहां बन रही है? बैक ऑफ द मिरर। इमेज इज एट द बैक ऑफ द मिरर, वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट एंड स्मॉलर इन साइज। वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट एंड स्मॉलर इन साइज। लिख लो सारी चीजें। देन द ऑब्जेक्ट। नाउ तो अगर हमको फॉर्मूले याद है तो वी कैन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस। ओके, सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 14। See the question number 14 and write the values here in the left hand side of your copy. Question number 14 of same page number 186. An object 5 centimeter h1 दिया हुआ है 5 centimeter. In length placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. For convex mirror, we know that object is placed at 20 centimeter. That is why it's negative. Q is equal to minus 20 centimeter. In front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature, R is equal to दिया हुआ 30 centimeter. Find the position of the image, nature and size of the image. Okay? Yes sir. क्या करेंगे अब? For a convex mirror हमको इमेज डिस्टेंस निकालनी V और इमेज साइज निकालनी h2. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. F is equal to the R by 2. So I can write 2 by R. सब दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. तो 1 by V is equal to 2 by R minus 1 by U. 2 by R, R दिया हुआ 30 minus 1 by U minus 20. सॉल्व करो अब इसको. 2 by 30 minus 1 by 20. ये आ जाएगा 4 plus 3 by 60. That is 7 by 60. इसको आप लिख दीजिए 2 by 30 plus 1 by 20. 60 एलसीएम ले लीजिए आप. 7 by 60 आ गया ये. और 7 by 60 आ गया तो V आ जाएगा 60 by 7. 8.57 सेंटीमीटर. ये आ गया वैल्यू. This is the image of the distance आ गया V. पॉजिटिव साइन ऑफ V, ये पॉजिटिव वाला बच्चों देखो आप. What does it mean? Positive side of V indicates that image is at the back of the mirror. It is virtual and it is erect. Virtual and erect also. So we can write V. M comes out to be h2 by h1 is equal to minus V by U. So you can write here h2 by h1. h1 दिया हुआ 5 is equal to minus of V. V हमने अभी भी निकाला 60 by 7 divided by 20. ये माइनस साइन तो ये सॉल्व कर लो इसको. 3 by 7 हो जाएगा. तो बच्चों यहां से आगे आपके पास h2 is equal to 3 by 7 into 5, that is 15 by 7. This is h2. That is 2.1 centimeter. This is the answer. न्यूमेरिकल्स जब तक आप नहीं करेंगे अपने हाथ से मजा नहीं आएगा काम करने का. ओके, डू इट. See one more question. Question number 15 of same page number and write the width given of page number, that is 186. An object of size 7 centimeter, h1 दिया हुआ 7 centimeter placed at a 20 centimeter 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror, u दिया हुआ -27 centimeter और focal length 18 centimeter. focal length of concave mirror होती है माइनस. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focus image can be obtained? Find the size and the nature of the image. सिंपल क्वेश्चन, सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ जो हमने अभी किया है. क्या क्या चीज आपको लोगों को निकालनी है? हमको इमेज डिस्टेंस निकालनी है और इमेज साइज निकालनी है. और फॉर्मूला 1/v + 1/u = 1/f. ये इसमें ये वैल्यू रख दीजिए आप. तो 1/v = 1/f - 1/u. 1/v = 1/f -18 - 1/u -27. सॉल्व करो इसको. 1/18 + 1/27 आ गया. ये माइनस है. नाउ 54 एलसीएम ले लो. 54 अगर एलसीएम ले लिया तो आ गया -3 + 2 दैट इज -1/54 किया जाएगा. तो दैट इज v = आ गया -54 सेंटीमीटर. इन दोनों का एलसीएम ले लिया अपन ने और ये आ गया आंसर. The screen should be held in front of a mirror at a distance of 54 centimeter from the mirror. Image obtained on the screen जो आएगी that is real. Real image is formed here. So m is equal to आ गया बच्चों h2/h1 is equal to -v/u. ये आपका फॉर्मूला है. पुट ऑल द वैल्यूज. h2 आपको निकालना है, h1 आपको दिया हुआ 7 और आपका v/u v आपको दिया हुआ है 54 माइनस और -54 डिवाइडेड बाय u दिया हुआ है -27. ये सॉल्व कर लो इसको. 14 आ जाएगा 14. h2 comes out to be -14 centimeter. This is the answer here. h2 आ गया -14 सेंटीमीटर. नेगेटिव साइन आ रहा है तो इमेज इज इन्वर्टेड. Negative sign is there, so I can say image is inverted. Write down. Now we are going to perform last numerical of this chapter. और जो अदर क्वेश्चंस है एनसीईआरटी के मैंने काफी क्वेश्चंस कर लिए हैं, so you can perform easily. See the question number 17. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power. डॉक्टर ने एक लेंस प्रिस्क्राइब किया 1.5D. Find the focal length. Is the prescribed lens is diverging or converging? This is the question here. Read question again. डॉक्टर ने लेंस प्रिस्क्राइब किया P is equal to 1.5D. हमारा फॉर्मूला F is equal to 100/P. That is 100 divided by 1.5. ये हमारा फॉर्मूला है. P दिया हुआ आपको. That is near about 66.7 सेंटीमीटर फोकल लेंथ आ गया. फोकल लेंथ क्या आ रही है? पॉजिटिव. That is lens is converging or convex. Converging or a convex lens because the focal length is positive. Okay, so this is all about टुडेज मॉड्यूल। आज हमने बच्चों काफी क्वेश्चंस किए। सम मोर क्वेश्चंस आर लेफ्ट, so you can do up to your level. Okay, bye.